Friends, hello! If you are growing currants on your plot, in order to get a large harvest, to prevent the bushes from aging and to keep them rejuvenated, they need to be fertilized. And the initial fertilization must be done prior to flowering. However, if your currant is already in bloom and you have not yet fertilized it, make sure to carry out this fertilization process. If you fertilize currants multiple times per season and prune them properly, this plant has the potential to produce abundant harvests for a period of up to 2 decades, with yields varying between 8 and 30 kilograms. But without proper care, it is very difficult to achieve such large harvests, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't miss the release of new videos where I will show and tell you everything. And if currants are not fertilized and pruned, the harvest will be very small and the bush will age and wither around the 12th year. And the first fertilization that we will do should be aimed at increasing green mass and developing the root system, which in turn will contribute to rejuvenating the bush, as new young annual shoots will grow, which we will then replace the older branches with during pruning. And the best first fertilization, which I have been using for not the first year, and I prepare it from chicken granulated manure. I will require a 1-liter jar that is filled with granular manure, which I will add to a total of 10 liters of water. Steep for 2 hours until fully dissolved. I mix it, thus obtaining a concentrate, and then I take half a liter of this fertilizer and dilute it in 10 liters of water. And this is already prepared fertilizer. However, if you possess fresh chicken manure, you will also require 1-liter jar of fresh chicken manure diluted in 10 liters of water. Nonetheless, to ensure the safety of this fertilizer, it needs to be steeped for approximately 7 days to ferment. This is because fresh chicken manure contains a significant amount of ammonia, which can be detrimental to the plant's root system. And after 7 days, when the solution is ready, we also take half a liter of the prepared concentrate and add it to 10 liters of water to fertilize the currants. To care for a single plant, we must pour a total of 5 liters of prepared fertilizer, and additionally, we should spread mulch under the bush using straw, hay, or shredded branches. And very soon I will show you how to make permanent supports for currant and gooseberry bushes, so that the branches do not lie on the ground. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.